guys, ako nga pala si Pau at ngayon, nandito tayo ngayon sa fan gathering by Jan Jingjing Philippines. Tatanungin natin ng mga fans kung Team Lal ba sila or Team Wine. Let's go! Team Lal or Team Wine? Ayun! Team Lal. Team Lal! Lalaw na lang! Team Lal or Team Wine?
Janet.
Team Lal. Team Lal or Team Wine?
Team Lal po.
Ang daming Lal. Team Lal or Team Wine?
Team One!
Ikaw ang kauna-una nag-wine. Team Lal or Team Wine? Team Jewel. Team Lal or Team Wine?
Team Lal.
Team Lal or Team Wine? So,
Wine, pero
Lal or Team Wine?
Team Wine.
Wine. Team Lal or Team Wine?
Team Wine.
Team Lal or Team Wine?
well, para sa akin, I think I choose Lal.
Team Lal or Team Wine?
Lal po, Lal.
Ang daming Lal. Team Lal or Team Wine?
Team Lal.
Ang daming Lal. Thank you po. Team Lal or Team Wine?
Team One.
Ayun! Team Lal or Team Wine?
Team Wine.
Wow! Wine talaga? Yes,
Team Wine.
Wow, ang daming wine! Team Lal or Team Wine?
Team Wine. Lal po, Lal. Mas green flag kasi si Lal. Para sa akin, hindi nyo pa kasi nakikita yung side ni Wine. So parang kailangan natin mag-focus sa kanya kasi hindi natin alam yung background or yung past niya.
Team Lal or Team Wine?
Team Lal.
Team Lal.
Ang daming Lal. Thank you po. Team Lal or Team Wine?
Team Wine
Team
po.
Wine po.
Team Lal.
Bakit? Bakit? Bakit?
Bakit ikaw muna?
Kasi po ano po, madami pong pinagdaanan si Wine na hindi po natin alam. Tapos
Ayun.
parang wag po natin siya i-judge.
Ayun. Bakit Lal?
Kasi po, versatile po si Lal. Pwedeng tap, pwedeng bottom.
So yun lang guys, sinanong natin ng fans kung sino ang gusto nila, Team Lal or Team Wine. Syempre kayo din, Team Lal ba kayo or Team Wine? Comment nyo na yan at magkita-kita tayo sa next event. Let's go!